In a world where complexity seems to be the only constant, how do we make sure that our organization not just survive, but truly thrive? This question has driven my business partner and I in the last 20 years journey, leading us to uncover 5 essential principles that form the cornerstone of AEquacy, an organizational model and operating system designed to navigate the intricate web of modern challenges. First, let's talk about purpose and values. Imagine a compass guiding your people through the labyrinth of organizational life, grounding every decision, every action in what truly matters. This is the essence of being purpose and values driven, where clarity illuminates even the most challenging path. Next, picture a flock of birds in perfect synchrony, each moving with purpose, yet without the need for a central commander. This is the power of self-organization, where individuals harmonize effortlessly and are propelled by a shared vision and empowered with full autonomy. Now, envision a crystal clear river where every ripple is visible, every stone laid bare. Transparency is not just about openness. It's about allowing each piece of information to be easily accessible to everyone in the company, creating a culture where trust and accountability flourish. And consider a circle where no one stands above or below, where every voice carries equal weight. Equality goes beyond mere fairness or diversity. It is about recognizing the inherent worth of every individual and amplifying diverse perspectives. And finally, think of a mighty oak swaying with the wind, bending but never breaking. Adaptivity is the cornerstone of resilience, the ability to pivot, evolve, and thrive in the face of uncertainty. These 5 principles, purpose and value-driven, self-organization, transparency, equality, and adaptivity, are not just abstract concepts. We developed or adapted numerous tools to ground these principles in daily actions. And one real-life example of the implementation of those principles and tools is magnificently demonstrated by the Nespresso Italiana case history that you can find in the book. So join me on this journey as together we explore the boundless possibilities of AEquacy.